Why, hello there. Story. One page. No editing. I will read. You, presumably, might be listening. I don't know why you could mute it and just look at me. I'm not attractive. Thus the glasses. I shall start, again, titleless. The boy had been in this situation before. He could see his father only through the small opening of the hood, which was popped, the dark, shivering elbows and denim slipping through the crack. He was told to stay inside the car. He was told to play with his toys. But the boy became restless, so he counted the holes in the vinyl on the roof. There were no holes on the side with the wheel, but on the right side, small circles shone like polka dots. The gray vinyl where the holes were showed the yellow foam beneath. The boy counted 13 holes. 13 holes in the vinyl, just big enough for a pencil, thought the boy. The boy unbuckled his seatbelt and climbed up to the front seat. The entire car shook, and the boy heard his father sniff. He stuck his finger in one of the holes. The outside of the hole was black and scratched his knuckle. Quietly, he opened the door. He wanted to check his father's face to see if he would tell him how the holes got there. But as the boy looked past the hood, he saw his father sitting in front of the car, his head resting on his knees, slowly rocking forward. There was a wrench in his hand, held behind his head, and he tapped it against the bumper every so often and pushed against the car with his legs. Thanks for listening.